What is a compound assignment? Basically, it is when you have a variable. Here I have variable a equals to 100. And I'm just taking that same variable. I set it equal to itself plus another entry. So that makes it a compound assignment. In this case, we're adding on the value 1 each time. So I have here a equals to 100. And here a equals to a, which is 100 plus 1. So now a is going to be 101. And then I print out a here. Then I go to the next line. So a here is 101 plus 1. It's going to be 102. And I print out 102. And here it's going to print 103. So this is the regular way of doing the compound assignment without using the compound assignment operator. And down here, we're using the compound assignment operator to do the same exact thing as up here. But this is like a shortcut. So I'm just saying a plus equals to 1. It means that a equals to a plus 1. Then I print it out. We're starting out with a equals 100 as well. So the result up here should be exactly the same as the result down here. The only difference is we're using the compound assignment operator, which is a shortcut of doing something like this. Let me now open up the output window, and we're going to run and take a look. And there you see it. So here on line number 2 is printing 101, 102, 103. And we go down to line number 7. It's also printing 101, 102, and 103. Here are some more examples. So instead of adding 1 each time, here I'm adding 5 each time. And here I'm subtracting 10 each time from A. Let's take a look. Here we have 105, so it's 100 plus 5 is 105, then it goes to 110, 115. Down here, you know what? So we went from A equals to 115 here, right? So 115 minus 10, it gives us 105 here. And then we subtract another 10, so we got 95 and then 85. The compound assignments are mostly used for addition and subtraction, but you can also use it with other arithmetic operators. For example, here we have multiplication, division, and floor division. Let's take a look. On line 2, so here we'll multiply by 2, so it goes to from 100 to 200, then it goes to 400 and 800, because we're multiplying by 2 each time. In the next section here, we start out from 100, we divide by 2 each time, so it goes to 50, 25, and then I have 12.5, because 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. In the final section here, we're doing a floor division, so 100 divided by 3 is 33.333, but we're doing a floor division, so it drops it down to the nearest lower integer, which is 33. And then 33 divided by 3 is 11. 11 divided by 3 is 3 point whatever. It gets down to the lower integer, the closest lower integer, which is the number 3. Here are some more interesting examples. On this line here, we're doing the modulus. We have exponential here, and we have concatenation here. Let's take a look. So on this line here, we have 100 mod 3, means that we're taking the remainder of that division. So it's 100 divided by 3, and we're taking the remainder, so the remainder is 1. On this next line here, we're doing exponential. So 100 square gives us 10,000, and 10,000 square, we get this number right here. Finally, at the bottom here, we have concatenation. So we start out with by, we concat cu to that, we get this one right here, this one right here, and then we concatenate cu to it again, we get this line over here, so we got by cu. That's how you use compound assignment operators in Lua.